Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide navigation toolbar on ClickUp. Maybe you want to maximize your screen interface to focus more on your task and content within the application. So today I'm going to show you how to hide navigation toolbar on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side. And here, tap on this gear icon at the top right to open the settings page. In this page, you will now see this navigation toolbar option. Since you wanted to turn off this option, simply toggle off this switch next to it. After that, you now have successfully hidden the navigation toolbar on ClickUp. You can now enjoy a cleaner and more spacious workspace. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide navigation toolbar on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide navigation toolbar on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.